one more time, come on. Not walk, skate.
Hello everyone, welcome to Big Go Travelers. We couldn't make videos for many days because we were very busy with our research and exams as it's the end of the semester, especially November and December. But today we are back with a brand new vlog.
We are going to try ice skating today. I have tried a couple of times last year. Even I bought a skating shoe, and we are so excited. So we have come to Riverbank State Park. It's a state park, of course, and the skating is on. Today is Sunday.
There's a queue, we have to wait for some time so that we can enter.
But fortunately, it's not that long. So
Yeah.
let's go.
If you are coming to Riverbank State Park for any kind of gym activities or for skating, you should have your vaccination card ready and a ID card. And you should also get a mask like Sachin. Sachin looks like a Daku. You don't have to look like a Daku, but you should wear a mask.
We are waiting still in the queue, and this is the skating rink. So in summer, they usually host roller skating, and in winter, in the same area, they host ice skating.
We are at the reception and we need total $11. So $5 is the charge of the skating rink and $6 is for renting the shoes. Bisho has his own skating shoes, so he just needs $5. Yeah. We got our pass and we are waiting for the skating now.
Skate rental, yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the band, and the good thing about the Riverbank State Park is it allows you the entry for 3 complete hours. So even if you have to get out for some time, if you are tired, as long as you have the band, you can come back.
What are you doing?
Very good. So before I tried the figure skate, because I own a figure skate.
So this is a figure skate. This one,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, this one is good. And this is a hockey skate.
Okay.
So I have given mine to Sachin, and I rented a hockey skate. So it will be a good opportunity to try how does the hockey skate perform. I've never tried it. Let's
Okay. He's trying to walk here.
see. I'm trying to fall here.
You are trying to fall?
How to fall?
No, we are practicing
have to-
how not to fall. Yeah. Vishal is still trying to
Get my best.
get the best shoe.
I think probably
I think now
These laces are
he's
so
happy.
long. Like this. Yours is still smaller, man. Eventually, we are on the ice. And it's pretty crowded. You can see a lot of people are skating. But the ice condition is pretty bad. They have to, I guess, resurface it. अरे सचिन गिर गया था. अरे सचिन बहुत सही कर रहा है. सचिन बहुत सही कर रहे हो. पहली बार के हिसाब से बहुत सही कर रहे हो. Pratyusha,
Hi.
कैसे कर रही हो?
I'm doing well. I'll show you.
That's ice walking, not ice skating.
Let us know in the comments that as a beginner, how am I doing?
You are doing great.
How are you feeling?
Not so good. I can tell you, these rental shoes are so bad. There is no maintenance. What happens is you see the blade. So this is not actually flat. There are 2 edges, the inner and the outer edge. They have to be sharpened. And I don't think they sharpen it on regular basis. Okay, enough of our hilarious skating. Let's talk to somebody who can actually do it. Alright. You have already seen his stunt. So I
He's
come here.
amazing.
Yeah, he's amazing. Yeah. So we come here sometimes, and I guess every time I come here, I see him. So he probably comes more often than me, of course. And I'm always amazed by the way he does skating. So how long have you been doing skating?
I've been skating for 13 years now.
13 years?
I was 6 years old. Yeah, I'm 19 now.
Oh my God! So the,
Increase the volume a little.
oh, can you speak a little bit louder? It's so noisy here.
Yeah, I've been skating for 13 years and I started freestyle about four years ago.
Wow, 13 years he has been skating. So I guess it's true what people say that you have to really put in 10,000 hours to be to really grab something, and he's an example.
There's a lot of pain comes with it too. A
Yeah.
lot of falls and a lot of injuries too.
So-
Broken bones.
Oh, you have broken bones too.
Yeah.
Yay!
Over time,
Oh
yeah.
my god.
My God, that's so expensive. Where's the time? Did you play hockey? Ice hockey?
No, but I'm planning to, but nah, I haven't played at all.
You will
I've
be
always just been skating. for
You'll
fun.
kill it.
I mean, yeah, they have a team, but I don't
see.
think I'll play.
So there is no team in your school?
No, I'm attending college now.
Oh, okay.
There's no team.
Oh, I see. Oh, thanks a lot. Yeah.
Do you teach as well?
No, I skate for fun, to be honest.
Oh.
It's just like my headphones and me on the ice is just what I do. I don't really, I don't teach. I'm kind of self-taught too.
Oh, yes,
Oh,
sir.
that's
Over
nice.
YouTube and,
Okay,
and
yeah.
just trying stuff I learned over time.
Great. Do you only come here in the Riverbank State Park, or do you go to other parks?
I come here and there's one in Central Park.
Central Park, yeah,
I
yeah.
go there, it's called Boom.
That's more expensive, isn't it?
Yeah, 24.
Oh, that's way more expensive than this. Yeah. Okay, it was very nice to talk to you.
Very nice to talk to you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you. I had a very great time at ice skating. What about Sachin?
Yeah, it was very great. Actually, the staff was also supportive. It was first time for me. They teach me how to do skating.
Exactly.
And initially I was very scared, but then I got the confidence and
Sachin fell many times, but
I think falling down is the key to learn.
Exactly,
Exactly.
exactly. And you really have to be comfortable
Yeah.
that you can take it if you fall.
Yes,
and
exactly.
that's
I
very
was
important.
so scared. Like I fell only one time, but mostly I was going through the support. But at the end, last 15 to 20 minutes, I was also confident.
Yeah, but only one thing. This time I don't know today what happened. So they periodically resurface the ice, so you can see in the background now. Now it's not open to public. So they have like teams, and they also practice. So
Now
right
they
now,
resurfaced it.
resurface the ice.
Completely like
very smooth.
it's very
Yeah.
smooth now.
Yeah, if you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Comment definitely that if you have any
Experience?
skating experience, or how did you like our skating, especially mine and Sachin's skating.
Yeah,
for the
and do
beginners.
subscribe.
Yeah, do subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.